All right, we're out here working today on the Suburban again. I know how much you liked the last video by the 28 people that watched it. But anyways, I got to get to work on this. The Hydroboost is leaking out of the front, I guess, because it drips right between the master cylinder and the Hydroboost. So I've got a new one to put on. So I got this nut taken off, got one more on the other side, and I'm hoping that the master cylinder will kind of just swing out of the way enough that I don't have to take it off. And then I got to get under the dash and try to get the 4 bolts and the clevis out that hold it to the brake pedal. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's pretty nasty. Looks like the seal on the front must just be blown out on the Hydroboost. So got that loose for now. Might have to move it further, and then we will go under the dash and try to get the other 4 bolts out and the clevis, and hopefully it's not too buried up under there. All right, I didn't film it, but I got this off of the clevis that holds the pedal to the booster, or the Hydroboost. I'd never seen one before, so I just pried on it and twisted it, and it finally popped off. Not a fan. A cotter pin would have been a lot better. So now, I don't know if you'll be able to see, there's 4 bolts up there. You can see the bottom 2, and then there's 2 more on top. Those 4 bolts have to come out, and then the Hydroboost should be free to come out. I'm not sure that I'll be able to film it because I barely fit in there, so I don't know if there's gonna be room for a camera, but we'll see. Okay, I got the 4 bolts out. I fought with it for a long time till I remembered that somebody, my brother, was nice enough to leave this electric Ryobi ratchet here, so that made the last 2 come out real quick. Now I'm gonna go back under the hood and get these 3 lines disconnected. This one and this one have a nut on them. This one I just got to cut this clamp off, and I'll put a different clamp on it whenever I put it on the new unit. All right, got the new Hydroboost here. I had to put the little plunger back in the hole. Apparently that goes in there. So gonna put this in the hole, get it bolted in, get the clevis on so you won't see that, but then I'll come back out and I'll put the 3 lines on it and be ready to go.
see you, my friend.
See ya.
Got it going back on and fixed. And...
Well, we'll see. It doesn't drip fluid out in between the master and the...
Well, that's always a positive, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, she got me. Alright, Hydroboost is reinstalled. Everything's hooked up out here and inside the truck. Just gotta push my lines back in, but I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, see if it leaks. If I can get the keys. Nothing leaking yet. Alright, it's been running for a little bit. Topped off the power steering fluid. So far no leaks, so we'll count that as a win. Next thing I'm going to do, not on camera, but I'm going to come down here and clean out this mess underneath here. We can keep an eye on any future leaks, but I think that'll do with that. And yeah, so that's a Hydroboost on a 99 K2500 Suburban. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.